In this video, we will walk you through how to register for Peel's Virtual Professional Learning Day, taking place on Friday, October 23rd, 2026. To support collaborative learning and shared dialogue, we strongly encourage you to participate with your colleagues. Please note that this year, registration must be completed as a group on a single device. The person completing the registration will be the group leader and will be the only individual with access to the event dashboard. Other group members will need to participate using the group leader's device. Organizations may designate multiple group leaders to provide additional access. For support, please contact the professional learning team at virtualplday at register@cdrcp.com or give us a call at 905-507-9360. Let's begin registration. Start by clicking the link provided on the flyer. This will take you to the event website where you can explore the agenda, speakers, the keynote session, and the morning and afternoon session options. When you're ready, click Register Now. Before proceeding, review and accept the disclaimer and click Continue. Acknowledge the group lead and click Continue. You will then enter your email address. Please ensure that this is an email address you can access directly, as it will be used for all event communication and login information. You'll then be prompted to Step 2. Complete the required fields here. If your organization has multiple sites, please select your home site. If you have any IOTA accommodation needs, please indicate them in the box provided. Once all of the information has been completed, click Continue. Step 3 is add in your group members. Before you begin this step, gather the full names and email addresses of all group members. Click the Add More button to create a new row for each member. Repeat this process for each additional member. Once you've completed that, scroll down and click Continue. At this time, it is important to note that the group leader is responsible for tracking attendance for all group members on the day of the event. In Step 4, you'll be asked to confirm that you have access to the email provided. This ensures that you can receive your login credentials. Click Confirm and then Register. After completing the registration, check your inbox for a confirmation email. This will take a few minutes. The email will include a login link to the event platform as well as your password for the day. And I will show you what that email looks like. In the email, you will receive your password as well as the list of registered participants under you. Once you're logged in, take some time to explore the platform, review the available sessions, and save the sessions you're interested in. Plan your participation for the morning and afternoon as well. For supervisors of programs, you will also be asked to submit a short 15-second video from your organization. Instructions will be provided in the confirmation email. Thank you for registering. If you have any questions about childcare funding, please contact Peel Region at Early Years System Division at peelregion.ca.